Hello and welcome to the lecture on how to raise and catch errors. Let's look at example 5 in the handling exception. Open up this folder, and logical flow is to catch the error in your program. Okay, till now we have seen exceptions. Now we will try to catch errors. So there's a difference between exception and an error. So let's raise an error and then catch that error. So part of that will create that file. Okay, so we'll take this example that we have seen previously, how to catch an exception, and we'll convert that into an error. Okay, so instead of exception, it's a custom name. We're going to change it to error. For error handler, you have to pass two things. One is error number, one is error string. Okay, and we're just gonna echo the error string. Okay, now instead of saying set exception handler, can you guess what is the handler? Yes, it is error handler. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, you'll replace with your function name and just say echo 5 divided by 0. Okay, so now you're trying to raise exception from echo, right? And echo will give you an error, and that error will be captured by this error handler. So let's run this. Okay, that's division by 0 and it's infinite, right? So that's basically an error because you're raising an error from the PHP defined functions, right? You're not raising an error from your custom functions like we have raised our own errors. Okay, this is basically raising an exception. This is an error that is triggered from echo, and then we are capturing that error and then printing up the string. Okay, so that's all about how to handle errors, and with the simple way is to just create your handler and take control of that error handler. Well, that's all about error handler. It's very simple to understand. You just have to set the error handler to your method, and then you get all the details of the error, and then you can do a clean exit. Imagine if you are not doing this, then PHP will take control and try to show you where is the error. Okay, but if you're taking the control back, then you have the more control on errors as well. This is not an exception, this is an error. Okay, so that's all about how to handle errors using error handlers, and I'll see you in the next one.